Thank you for choosing Alaska Communications as your internet provider. Today, we'll show you how easy it is to get connected with our next-generation fixed wireless technology. Enjoy fiber-class speeds and improved reliability without digging up your yard. Our advanced technology gets you online quickly and hassle-free. Before your installation day, you may need to have approval from your property owner if you rent, or from your HOA if required. This helps ensure a smooth installation without any surprises. If you need a template for this approval, please visit our website and search Letter of Authorization. Here's what to expect. Your technician will arrive at the scheduled time at your home or office. They'll perform a quick walkthrough to find the best location for your antenna and cable routing. The technician will confirm these spots with you before he or she begins the installation. Next, the antenna is installed on the exterior of your building or roof. The type of mount and height of the pole will depend on where the antenna can receive the best signal. Cables are routed inside and connected to your router. A surge protector is also installed for added safety. Once everything is connected, the technician tests your speed to ensure it meets your planned speeds. That's it. The process is simple and usually takes about 2 hours. Now you can enjoy streaming multiple 4K movies, gaming, and working online reliably and without interruptions.